Remaining will join at meeting. Now see, I'm going to start once again deployment related concept because of we're able to see from the scratch level. Suppose in Windows key or CMD, there I enter into maybe key drive. There MD DEPLOY CD DEPLOY. Their code dot no of this. What I am trying to explain within this, that I'm going to take a new file. You know how to take new file. This is new file. That I'm giving dep.ym. I'm not taking directly from the Copilot. That through Visual Studio Code, I want to get it. See, here, there, hash, that I'm going to give question mark colon. There, control alt, I hope control alt, I think, right? That make you, I think, here you may see. There, control I. Okay, open chat. There, control KM, some shortcut command they're giving. Anyway, hash q question mark small q colon. Okay. Deployment, manifest file. Deployment manifest file, enter. See, just I'm giving tab key, again down arrow, not supporting, enter, it will work for us. Now, tab key, what happened? Enter, it will come automatically. What happened? Now see, it is considering right. It is taking little time, which is good for us. Now, what is my intention is, see, are you able to see here match labels, right? I'm placing my cursor, there I'm giving enter. System may generate extra code. Really, if you want to require one more label, yes. Again enter. Maybe it is asking strategy. Till now you don't know strategy. Anyway, I'm taking that one for your understanding purpose. This is the rolling update. I hope maybe if you know it, very easy. Maybe if you don't know, try to understand. What is the default deployment strategy? What is the default deployment strategy? There you observe and try to respond. According to k8s, default deployment strategy is rolling update. What is the default deployment strategy? Is the rolling update. You may ask me what is the use or power of rolling update? We may discuss within a minute. In the same way, I am going to work with I'm going to work with see my match expressions. Match expressions, tab key. There's a key environment and operator in operator in. See, yesterday in the last class we have seen similar activity. Or agree with me? Match expression. Key is the tire. Their operator in. What is the value? Front end. See, in match labels, whatever it is there, it is going to which purpose we are going to use match expressions? Anyone can book a response? Match expressions are using filtering purpose, only for filtering purpose. See, there we are checking, oh, match labels we are having or not. This is which operator? In operator. Within that tire is which one we are taking key. What is the key here? Key is the tire. Which tire we are working with? Front end. Is it okay for you? In the same way, if you want it one more, again key is the environment. You know it, but it will be in one step back, right? Yes. There, there, end. What happened? Tab key, tab key. That is our duty. We need to check properly. There, hyphen, there key, automatically you got it. Something missing. Yes. Step back, tab key, put enter. Here any missing is the key environment operator. Is it equal to one step towards? Is it okay for you? Any missing mark? One step back, right? Now it is okay.
Operator also we need to space
Equal to
box.
equal to key. One step. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Even strategy here missing. Their strategy. Strategy where it is there. Yes, this is okay. Only I want rolling update. Remaining things I don't want. There tab key. Yes. Even if you want it, I can quickly explain what is the here max search, what is max unavailable. Anyway, first I am leaving here up hyphen hyphen hyphen. There I am going to work with API version tab key. Then I need service. There automatically we're getting service. Here observe it. If any difficult ask me based on that we'll discuss. Then I can move to my concept. API version kind, metadata, already we have seen match labels and match expressions. Now just only this is new for you, right? Or agree with me? Already you know it. Quick response.
Yes, sir.
This is only new. Good. Their Windows key or MS Paint. See, this is already, deployment object. Whenever if we create deployment object, it internally create which one? Replica set. Replica set according to our theory. How many replicas are there? Have you seen here? How many replicas? Three replicas. Three replicas. These are the three replicas. Replica 1, replica 2, replica 3. See, here is the rolling update is that is the rolling strategy. Somewhere rolling strategy type is rolling update. What does it mean? There observe I'm taking two partitions, partition 1, partition 2. System first it will generate like a version 1 and version 2. This is the V1. It will feel like the next one is the V2 version 2. See here, first it will take version 1, part 1. Three parts are created. You know it clearly. Three parts are created. These are the three version 1 parts. What system will do? First it will generate version 2 part and it will delete version 1 part. Total how many parts are there now? First part. See, actually three parts. One, two, three. New one created, old one deleted. In the same procedure, again what it will do? It will go for new one create, again old one delete. And also what it will do? One more new one will create, old one will delete. And now tell me total how many parts? Again, according to
Three.
replica set, three only. See, changing from version 1 to version 2, that is the rolling update. Rolling update means slowly. For example, we will take one college. College having three lecturers. Management suddenly wants to change all the three lecturers. Students may panic, right? Are you agree with me? Why they panic? Even they don't know any one lecturer. Maybe they are discomfort. Management, what they will do? Already three are there. They are very familiar. They are very well known. Students also know. Faculties also know every student. Unfortunately, one faculty not teaching well. What management will take the decision now? They will maybe provide the meeting for them. Among three people, we want to change one people. If you are not sort out your maybe way of teaching something, they will tell. They will think internally, they will try to give best performance. If anyone is not giving, what they will do, ma? Tell me quickly. They will recruit new one or they will first boost their job. First tell me.
Recruit no ones.
They're recruiting new one. After 1 month, they are sending old person. They are recruiting new person, sending old person. Recruiting new person, sending old person. Students not facing any problem. Why students are not facing any problem? Maybe 3 months back also three faculties are there. Today also how many faculties are there? Three faculties. Even they are giving chance for 1 month. Old faculty is there, new faculty is there. Both will take classes. Maybe who is better, they will continue. Is it okay for you? This is which type of strategy, ma? Now observe and tell me. Which type of strategy? See here, what is the strategy here? Rolling
Rolling update.
update. See, one more strategy is there, recreate. The strategy name is this is rolling update. This is rolling update. Examination, what or interview question is, what is the deployment strategy? Your answer should be rolling
Rolling
update,
update.
rolling up. Suppose if you want it, you can set the strategy name is recreate. Recreate. See, college is there. College is selling to me Azure. I purchased one college. See, I am not interested with old staff. Generally, what I may do, quick response. I may tell to that old management, hey, old management, those faculties is your burden. I don't care about those people. I'm recruiting my people. Everyone should be my control. Everyone should be my new recruitment. What shall I do? Now you know it, right? See, already three parts are there. Okay, good. All the three, what I'm doing? I'm removing, I'm taking my new parts. See, they will also teach, my people also will teach. Are you agree with me? I hear some little problem is there. Can you guess what is the little problem? Downtime is there or not there? At least guess it in recreate. Application downtime. Application downtime happen. At least right why application downtime happen? Guess it. Are you understanding ma? Application downtime in the sense? If not understand, respond, I'll give the clarity. Application downtime will happen. Where it will happen? In recreate. In rolling update, no application downtime. Already end users are accessing application here. At least my cursor is moving somewhere. Are you agree with me? Maybe part
Yes,
one,
sir.
maybe part two. Suddenly three parts got deleted. It will take at least 10 seconds time to recreate. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
In real time, minimum it will take 5 minutes. Here I am telling 5 seconds. In real time, minimum 5 minutes. I'll show you that also. These 5 minutes, these 5 minutes, customer will wait for the application. That is the major problem. In which area? In which update? In which strategy? Recreate strategy.
Recreate.
In rolling update, is there any such problem? No. Suppose
No,
end
sir.
user is interacting with pod 1. Unfortunately, pod 1 dies. How he is able to communicate quick response? See, the direction is moving to pod 2. See, For example, Markonda sir is there, maybe myself is there. Unfortunately, that time I'm not able to take class. Who will take class? Markonda sir is taking. Maybe concept is leave it. My concept or his concept. At least he is not giving leave, right? Maybe I am not giving leave at least for you. Yes or no? Anyone at
Yes, sir.
least may cover the topic. But here observe, I am only one person. Maybe tomorrow assume CA class is there. I might tell. Or tomorrow no class. In recreate, hurdles are there. In rolling update, very smooth running of application. Is it okay for you? Ganesh, understood what I am trying to say? రోలింగ్ అప్డేట్ లో న్యూ న్యూ పాడ్ క్రియేట్ అయితేనే ఓల్డ్ పాడ్ డిలీట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ రీక్రియేట్ ఏం జరుగుతుందో మనకి ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయి. ఓల్డ్ పాడ్స్ డిలీట్ అయ్యి న్యూ
New
పాడ్స్
pod
క్రియేట్.
creator.
ఓల్డ్ పాడ్స్ డిలీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి ఐ వాంట్ టు జాయిన్ ఇన్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఎ న్యూ హౌస్ మా. వాట్ షల్ ఐ డూ? ఐ వాంట్ టు డెమాలిష్ మై ఓల్డ్ హౌస్. ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఎ న్యూ హౌస్. ఆ న్యూ హౌస్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ కి 1 డే 1 వీక్ లో అయిపోతుందమ్మా. ఇదేమైనా మూవీ కాదు
No,
కదా.
sir.
మినిమం 3 మంత్స్ 6 మంత్స్ పడుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు 3 మంత్స్ 6 మంత్స్ మనమైతే హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అటు ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఎక్కడో చోట రెంట్కి తీసుకొని అక్కడ ఉండి మన హౌస్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసుకుని అందులోకి వెళ్తున్నాం. ఈ లాజిక్ ప్రకారం ఆలోచించండి. ఇక్కడే డెమాలిష్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. బట్ టైం కన్స్యూమింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. గణేష్ అండర్స్టూడ్ అట్లీస్ట్? గణేష్ ఆర్ యు దేర్? గణేష్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్ మా?
Yes, sir. He's there.
ఓకే గుడ్. హియర్ అబ్జర్వ్ మా, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ మనం 3 హౌసెస్ గా థింక్ చేద్దాం. న్యూ హౌస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఓల్డ్ హౌస్ డెమాలిష్ చేశాను. న్యూ హౌస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఓల్డ్ డెమాలిష్ చేశాను. న్యూ హౌస్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసి ఓల్డ్ డెమాలిష్ చేశాను. నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఆల్రెడీ ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ అగైన్ న్యూ 3 new houses without any disturbance. Very clear? Rolling update and recreate.
Yes, sir.
2 more strategies are there. Maybe in future we'll discuss ma. Maybe blue green deployment, canary deployment. Those are not yet the good thing. But anyway, we'll discuss. Now, till now clear I hope. Maybe I'm trying to execute this. What happens you may see. Now just I'm taking terminal. Where is the terminal ma? Where terminal you know it? Click on new terminal. Now guide me what to do here. I want to set the which one ma? Command prompt. Then I need to run the manifest file. Now how to execute manifest file? kubectl. First get nodes ma. I am checking. kubectl get nodes. Node is ready. Now kubectl apply
Apply hyphen F.
apply. What hyphen F? What is the meaning of F here ma?
File.
Yeah, good. db dot. Oh yeah. What happened? I think it didn't save
YAML.
I think I didn't give YAML.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think YAML is there, right?
Uh,
Yeah, there. But it didn't save, I hope. Control yes. Now I am checking once again. Now see, it is trying to exit. Okay, some problem is there. We'll check it. What is the problem? Sort out. Selector does not match template labels. I think what was the problem? I am giving 1 minute time for you. You may check it and tell me. See, my selector match labels. How many match labels are there, Monica? See, how many labels there?
two.
Two. But come to the service, ma. Come to the service. See, in service area, selector is going to select how many labels searching for app column, my app. Is it
One.
okay? Here, what we need to add, ma? What you need to add? And
Tire
also
front end.
tire. There I am going to add tire also. There selector, enter. There T. Yeah, good. Have it. Now type also important, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Type. Type. Where should I add type, ma? Maybe before the selector, or maybe I'm going to ask type. Which type our requirement? Load balancer.
Load balance.
Load balancer. Sometimes okay. Load balancer. L capital, B capital. Control yes. Control yes. Before going to this, kubectl, delete, delete all, hyphen all. I think my font size is visible. Shall I increase a little bit bigger?
Yeah,
I,
visibles.
now once again I am trying to deploy my application. Kubectl apply hyphen F, DEP, yes. Again, we are having problem. Check it. Selector does not match template labels. Is it added or not added? Quick response. I think tire is correct only, right? Tire is correct only. What was there here? App is there. Tire is there. Good. Anywhere on somewhere labels. Service good. Selector good. Any missing? I hope no. Now very simple, ma. I am taking this. Copy this. Control C. You know it. They're taking this help. It will take care of automatic. See, it will tell us there's something wrong in your application. See, it have seen the issue. It have seen the issue. See, in template section, we forgot to set the labels. Is it okay for you? Maybe I
Yes.
said right. In pod also, wherever template is there, that belongs to pod section, right? Pod also need label section. Yes, sir. How service is
Yes.
discovering pod? Service discovers pod with help of
Labels.
labels. Good. Now control yes. Control yes. Now even 1 year back, such facility is not there now. Manually we'll check it. Manually we'll give it. Maybe we'll do multiple things. Research. Here, everything it will take care of. Now see, it is created. First, quickly, we'll check it kubectl. How to clarify it will really run or not in our way. I said I think last class also kubectl get SVC first, right?
Yes.
Yes, good. Now what I need to check kubectl get end
Points.
points end points end points. Now see till now endpoint is not created. Again something going wrong. I'll tell you ma, what was the reason. You see the container port. Actually we took which image ma? Just observe and tell me. We took which image till now is did we set any image name? Labels, containers. See that is given my app. See in place of that I'm going to specify ng inx. Is it okay? What is the container port for NGINX? Quick response.
80.
Very good. 80. Control yes. Any other modification? Target port is also
80.
80. Now I hope nothing will modify. Where once again we are going to get endpoints. Endpoint is created. How many
Yes,
replicas
sir.
ma according to our scenario? I hope three, right? Yes or no? Only one or three? Yeah, three are there, but I am able to get how many how many endpoints, ma? Yes,
3
now,
endpoints.
yeah, we got one only till now.
Yes.
Get endpoints. Yeah, now see. Slowly, who we said which strategy? Monica, you respond. Which strategy we apply? Rolling update. You know the meaning of rolling update? Respond. What is the meaning of rolling update? Rolling update means one after another. One after another. One is ready, it will go for second. Second is ready, it will go for That's why it is taking time. At least have you understood?
Yes, sir.
If you go for recreate, suddenly you may get 3, suddenly you may lose 3. Ganesh, are you understanding? Murali, are you there?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా మురళి ఏం చెప్తున్నాను నేను?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇచ్చినటువంటి మేనిఫెస్ట్ ఫైల్లో సి సమ్వేర్ నంబర్ ద replicas. How many replicas are there, Murali? Respond.
3.
3. Suppose I am trying to give 5, Murali. Now control yes. Again I am going to deploy. If you want to deploy in Kubernetes, what is the command, Murali? kubectl apply. Kubectl apply -f, that file name. Okay, it is configured, it is unchanged. See, unchanged means no modification. In service, we didn't touch, but in deployment, we touched it. Deployment, we touched it. Whenever if you touch something, it will become configured. మీరు అప్డేట్ చేస్తే కాన్ఫిగర్డ్ అని వస్తుంది, ఏమి మాడిఫై చేయకపోతే అన్చేంజ్డ్ అని వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ అని ఇస్తాను. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ అండ్ టెల్. సి వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేయింగ్. People may feel 3 only showing plus 2 more are there, right? Total 5 replicas. Monica, these replicas are horizontal or vertical, ma? హారిజాంటల్ గా క్రియేట్ అయినా వర్టికల్ గా క్రియేట్
Vertical.
ఏంటాయా? మీరు నా డయాగ్రామ్ చూసి మోసపోకండి. నేను మీకు ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ లో 1 by 1 డ్రా చేసి ఉంటాను. ఇక్కడ the HPA, I think one word, maybe I think second class I told HPA. Horizontal pod auto scaling. At least have you heard that word?
Yes, sir.
Horizontal pod. మనకు పాడ్స్ అని ఇలా క్రియేట్ అవుతాయండి. 1 2 3 ఇలా అమ్మా. దిస్ ఈస్ ద హారిజాంటల్ లైన్. ఆర్ అగ్రీ విత్ మీ? హారిజాంటల్ పాడ్ ఆటో స్కేల్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే ఫర్ యూ? బట్ రోలింగ్
Yes, sir.
అప్డేట్ వల్ల 1 by 1 క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. అలా అనేది వర్టికల్ కాదు. మనకు ఎటు చూస్తే మీకు ఏమనిపిస్తుంది చెప్పండి? మేబీ ఇన్ మై కర్సర్ మూవింగ్ ఏరియా ఏదో వర్టికల్ ఫీలింగ్
Yes.
వస్తుంది, బట్ నాట్. హారిజాంటల్ గా ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ క్రియేట్ అయ్యాయి మనకి ఇప్పుడు? 5 పార్ట్స్ క్రియేట్ అయ్యాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద హెచ్పిఏ. వై దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ద వర్డ్ హారిజాంటల్? దీనికి ఎంత మెమరీ ఆక్యుపై చేస్తుందో అలాంటిదే వన్ మోర్ రెప్లికా. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రెప్లికా. దిస్ ఇస్ ద రెప్లికా. టెక్నికల్ వర్డ్ వి మే టేక్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్. వన్ మోర్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్, వన్ మోర్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్. మీకు ఇన్స్టాన్స్ మీనింగ్ ఐడియా ఉందండి ఎవరికైనా? ఎనీవన్ కెన్ ట్రై టు రెస్పాండ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాక్చువల్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టాన్స్? Maybe you may take dictionary meaning also, no problem for me. Or else Google it and try to interact with me, Monica. These words are very important. People are generally using, if you ask suddenly what is the meaning of that, even they may not tell what it will be. Even Google it, tell me the according to your way, if possible, or else I may give the right procedure. Please others also respond, then only you will get real clarity what happening internally. Have you Googled? Shall I tell, or are you trying my any gathering information, sir?
Yes, sir. Actually,
Okay, you try first. Your
virtual mission in cloud environment.
virtual machine cloud. That is also good. Maybe suppose if you know the real meaning, whatever they give, you can understand your way. If you don't know, then only complexity, right?
Yes.
See, instance means memory plus background process. Background GROUN, count process. See, for first part, what is the memory? What is the background process? For second part also same. For third part also same. I given one example. I have my mark list original. There I am placing on the Xerox machine. I may get the Xerox copy. What I may get? Tell me. On that text ma. Same text or maybe different text.
Same.
Page size also maybe same.
Same.
If it is color printer, my original also look like here also same thing. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
That means same look and feel, I'm getting different copy. With the same look and feel, I'm getting different copy. Here, what is the specialty? Unfortunately, one copy may lose. What about another copy? Another copy may be useful for you. Are you agree with me? Is there any
Yes,
rule?
sir.
I took 100 copies. First copy only give to someone else. No. Maybe first copy is not. Maybe something wrong. I may go with second copy. I may go with third copy. They may not recognize. Here also same thing ma. Again I'm coming to Telugu others. అప్లికేషన్ రన్ అవుతుందండి. అప్లికేషన్తో మీరు ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యారు. మీ అప్లికేషన్ మీకు వర్క్ అవుతుంది. అన్ఫార్చునేట్గా అప్లికేషన్ కరప్ట్ అయిపోయిందండి. ఎండ్ యూజర్కి తెలియదండి. ఏం జరుగుతుంది చెప్పండి? అవర్ k8s cluster giving access to by using load balancer, you may able to interact with one more pod అండి. ఆర్ అగ్రీ విత్ మీ? ఎండ్
Yes.
యూజర్కి ఏం కావాలండి? అప్లికేషన్ యాక్సెస్ కావాలి. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏదైనా మూవీని డౌన్లోడ్ చేశారండి? ఆడ మిర్రర్ 1, మిర్రర్ 2, మిర్రర్ 3 అని ఉంటుంది. ఏ మిర్రర్ తీసుకొని అందులో ఉన్న మూవీ ఏంటి? If you are
Same.
trying for downloading one movie, it may show mirror 1, mirror 2, mirror 3. Mirror 1 అంటే image 1 అని. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
They are maintaining 3 copies, 3 replicas. You may download it, you may get it in your by using FTP. You know the word FTP means file transfer protocol. Ganesh, got the clarity? Murali, understood little
Yes,
bit?
sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, here the advantage is in deployment, how many copies? Maybe, see, maybe Flipkart, they are going to give maybe sale. Maybe, you know, the big bonanza like that. People are more and more interacting. What is the specialty here? First, I created 3 replicas. Maybe people are more coming. I may go for 5 replicas. Like that, I may go for 500 replicas also. Ma. According to your memory, according to your CPU, you may go. Is it okay for you? But here there is no auto scaling concept till now. What we are doing? We are scaling. Yes or no? Till now, we don't auto scaling, but we'll do auto scaling also. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Till now, manually, what we are doing, ma? Scale up, scale. Is it okay for you? There I took 5. Now, kubectl, get SVC, check it, their local host. Now you know. How can I run it, ma? Guide me quickly. Simply local host already there, right? Go to browser. Go to browser. Simply you are going to give localhost. What it may happen, check it. Are you able to see? But unfortunately, in our maybe chat GPT, there also if you search for a code, they will write like this ma. Even maybe I'll give the clarity if you ask, maybe see check it, 99% they won't give here 80 ma. Maybe they may give 88. I said which port this belongs to, quick response. Maybe I told already. Control yes. What is this port? This port name. How can you call? This is the service port. What is this ma? This is the service port. Suppose if I re-apply now, it may recreate. Yes, reconfigure, right? After that, suppose generally you may go like this, you may get an error. You may not able to see the output. What shall I give here? I said somewhere, right? Colon
Colon 8080.
8080. But here No one, see, assume you are the human being. If I say my local host, yeah, sir, I remember. If I say like that port number, 10 or 20 port numbers, will you able to remember all the port numbers? This is not good. That's why service port maybe 99% as a professional. What will you use? Please respond. Service port should be
80.
880 only. I hope you got the clarity. Even big faculties, big professionals, that I don't know, they are giving 8080. That is not the right procedure now. I hope you understood, right? Because of whenever if I move to maybe route 53, that is very useful ma. In route 53, here we can specify anything that will take care of. There we may specify domain name, that is good. Manually if you want to work with, your service port should be which one? 80 only. You need to fix it. Good. Now you got the clarity. I hope. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Apply it. ఎందుకు సర్వీస్ పోర్ట్ 18 తీసుకుంటున్నాం? అగైన్ క్విక్ రెస్పాన్స్. Morally can understand easily. We are working with HTTP or HTTPS. Are you agree with me? See, HTTP by
STTP
default port number is 80.
80.
HTTP by default port number is 80. Now see, you may get an error. Now how to rectify? They are 80. Whether you may give 80 or not, it will consider. Default 80, right? That's why it won't show anything. Till now, clear? Shall I move on to concept? Till now, what
Yes,
I
sir.
said, that is the existing only. Little bit modifications I given, I altered and I given some little theory. Good. Now I said why we move to deployment. That is the important thing, right? That I may explain little bit. Then I move on to see industry people. I said somewhere deployment is the recommended strategy, recommended way to deploy your applications. Which applications I said? Stateless or stateful, Monica? Deployment యొక్క పర్పస్ స్టేట్లెస్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కా స్టేట్ఫుల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కా I think last class I explained. You forgot, I hope. Only for stateless applications. Only for stateless applications. You may ask me, sir, tell me quickly what is stateless application? Stateless application. For example, at least you know HTML, ma? I hope you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Maybe I may take maybe within 5 minutes, ma. I may go for maybe for your understanding. Their notepad, their control N. See, if you create one, maybe text box, Mazur. Text box. How to create a text box? At least tell me. Through HTML. Do you know or you don't?
Input. Yes.
Good, very good. There form. Yes or no? Within the form
Yes.
only, they are going for form. Good. Enter maybe name. Their input type is equal to text. Name is equal to T1 like that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, if I run this, automatically you may know what happens. Here it may create like this. This is one text box. There, here one label you may get it. There one label. There I written something, right? What I written? Enter. Enter.
Enter name.
Maybe your name. See here, this is the stateless mark. It don't know anything. Whatever I enter, it will take it. If I refresh, what happens? Quick response. The name, maybe I may write my name Lakshmi, Lakshmi Lakshmi. If I refresh it, what happens? It may erase, it may remove. Is it okay for you? This is
Yes, sir.
stateless. See, yesterday I said something. Today I may ask if you are not responding, you are the stateless application. Anyway, you are good or bad, or you are maybe good knowledge, bad knowledge, leave it. Suppose if I say something, you are you written something you are having in front of one book, assume. Maybe if I ask anything, suddenly you may tell, right? What is my feeling? Oh, Monica is excellent, very good memory. Maybe I may tell many things. See, if I ask, automatically if you give the answer, This is stateful. If you are not able to give, stateless. See, all web applications are stateless applications. At least remember now. All web applications are stateless applications. Is it okay for you till now? APP. See, but industry, even though all web applications are stateless, they are going to convert it to stateful. Stateful. The concept little I am moving on. Very beginning, which type of application those are? Stateless. Stateless means it won't maintain an identity. This is the industry answer, ma. Stateful means to maintain an identity. Stateless means it won't maintain any identity. At least that is simple answer, right? How it will maintain identity? By using cookies, by using COO cookies, by using sessions. How it will maintain? By using cookies, by using sessions. Even browser cookies. Have you seen anywhere browser cookies somewhere? Sometimes it may
Yes, sir.
you may see. What is the use of browser cookies, ma? Anyone? Why browser is having cookies? Sometimes whenever you enter into your Gmail account, it won't ask any email ID, any password. Automatically it will show. If you click, automatically it will log in. Have you observed such type of strategy? But
Yes, sir.
very first time, it will ask your email ID, it will ask your password, maybe sometimes confirmation also. Yes or no? From second time onwards, auto login. Why auto login? Anyone respond? The browser having cookie. Now, cookie is the client side now. Who is client here? Your browser is the client. Who is the client here? Your browser. Your browser. Ma, assume one more thing, ma. You are the manager. I am your assistant. If anyone asks anything to manager, manager will see me. Why manager will see me, ma? Please respond at least. Because of I am his or her assistant. Anything I'll tell to him. Maybe I may note it, I may respond it. Same way, cookie will store. Cookie will store which information? Your email
Yes.
ID and also your password. Now, what are cookies? Cookies are small values, mark. Key value, key value format. What is key? Email ID key. What is value? Password is the value. It will store it. If you delete your cookies, what happens? Again, it will ask freshly. Again and again, whenever you enter, you must give your email ID or password. That is the browser level. We can easily handle browser level cookies now. Is it? Maybe again I'm going to DevOps now because of these things are important if you want to work in the real time. Clear? At least you got the clarity. Anyway, deployment object runs which type of applications? Quick answer. Stateful or stateless? That I want to know.
Stateless.
Stateless. Stateless means it won't maintain any identity. Even if I ask you, maybe I am asking Monica, tell your name. Sir, I forgot, I don't know. Assume. That is your answer. Which applications? Stateless. Once you sleep, once you wake up, there is no words in your brain. That is stateless. What is stateful? Every point will remember. That's what yesterday I given PB and PVC. At least I given the words right. Yes or no? Have seen
Yes,
PB
sir.
and PVC. Anyone respond PB and PVC abbreviations? That day will
Persistent volume and persistent volume claim.
claim. Very good. If you work with that means stateful set automatically internally it maintain PV and PVC. That we'll see maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Now we're moving to some commands na? Because of this is I said somewhere yesterday. Quickly again I am going to enter into that area. See what I said yesterday. Updates and rollbacks. Yes or no? The deployment main purpose is what ma? Updates and rollbacks. What is the meaning of updates? I said version 1 to version 2, version 2 to version 3, like that. Why industry is going from version 1 to version 2, version 3? Agile model. In Scrum, maybe day to day, day to everyday status calls are there, right? There we are going to use Agile model. In Agile model, every 15 days, they are going to deploy a new version. Yes or no? That
Yes,
new
sir.
version, they maybe first version V1, they are going to take V2. There, even V1 dot, I said somewhere 1 dot 2.3. What does it mean? I said somewhere, right? Explained in Terraform.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean, ma? What one
Major,
represent? Major, very good.
minor, and
Minor, super. Shall I give the clue?
patching.
P, P.
Yes. Yes.
See, baby shirt is having hole. How to
Yes,
rub it?
patch.
Yeah, good. Patching. Patch. Major version, minor version, patch version. See, industry following same strategy, ma. I think in Maven we have seen, ma. Snapshot. Have you seen, right? What is
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning of snapshot? Again, I'm asking. Assume I know Maven. I don't know Maven. I'm asking what is snapshot? Very simple answer, ma. Snapshots are the what is the answer? Respond. Have you seen the spelling?
Regular builds.
Regular bills. See, in company per day, 100 snapshots. You may create. You are creating 100 snapshots, but how many releases for 1 week? How many releases, ma?
One.
One release only. The latest one you may see. Release means quick response, deploy, patch.
Production.
But snapshot means I hope you are able to see the words.
Test and develop. Yes.
Yeah, you are working in development environment. You may create multiple regular builds,
Snapshots.
snapshots. Is it okay for you? Understood?
Yes.
Now we are going to work with commands. See, already I'm having some commands. Maybe I may provide that document also. Maybe first I'll provide document to you, ma. I created today only. Every time I will take that day only because of I never go with old documentation. Day to day, maybe industry is changing their strategies. That is my intention. If you ask any question also, I may think maybe tomorrow perspective. That is my intention because of drastic changes are going on. Document, desktop, deployment, DEPL, deployment commands. Open it. Now, I hope you got it right. Try to open it. We'll discuss based on this. Try to open it. We'll discuss based on this. See, there I think first command is clear for you. kubectl apply hyphen f dep.yml. That one
Yes.
only I took. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we are going for second command. Apply with, in Linux also V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Five types of verbose. Have you heard the word verbose, ma? Or shall I give an example? You want to see one example?
Yes, sir.
Good. Ganesh, do you know already about verbose? There at least I'm entering. There you Ubuntu, install. This time, right? Already there. Now my question is already everybody know Linux or shall I teach once again Linux commands and shells? Based on your response, I will take 1 week classes for that. Or you may feel, sir, already we know little bit about commands. Maybe wherever concept demands, there if you tell the command, that is also good. If you feel like that, I may go that way, or else I may take 1 week for only regarding Linux and shell script.
I know little bit commands,
Okay,
sir.
good for you, no problem. I may ask same way for others also. There, what happened? Okay, okay, got it. Now, Suda Ifanai, good. CLE, okay. Now, I want to create a file, with some text, you guide me. I want to create one file name is file one with some text, echo or maybe cat or maybe something, right? Echo, welcome with maybe file one. See, CP copyright file one to file two. What happened? Whatever file one having, that content is copying into file two.
File 2.
There is no special thing. Are you agree with me? Here, I'm taking CP there, there hyphen V there file one to file three assume. If we have given right format or not, we'll check it. See, have you seen little extra? What have you seen? In previous scenario also CP file 1, file 2. But happened. Everything happened. Are you able to see what happened?
No,
Do
sir.
you know what happening? At least background process, Do you know what happening in background? You don't know. Something happened. We feel happy. Why we feel happy? Oh, no error. No error means our feeling is what? Oh, everything is fine. But in this scenario, if I give hyphen V, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What happens? What happened internally? It is telling, hey, file one content is copying to where? File
File
three.
3.
Now, in the same way, I may go for a double V, assume file 4. Now, like that, how many V's are there? Maybe based on the concept, these are very useful. Here, 1V is good, 2V is good, 3V is good, 4V. How many V's I took? 5 V's only, right?
Yes, sir.
See, even 6 V's also. But up to, according to Linux, 5 V's are there. V maybe minimum content, 5 is the highest content. Highest in the sense, internal, what about clear cut information. Based on the concept, it is very useful. But till now, very simple, right? Verbose means giving information to you. Giving information. Which information? What happening? What happened? Is it okay for you? Clear, got it? Now say check it.
Yes, sir.
Here see, according to Kubernetes, hyphen V is equal to 2. Maybe I said V is equal to 1, V is equal to like that. How many numbers are there? 5 numbers. Same copy. I am copying for clarity control C. There here itself or here itself in the sense. I may go for the command prompt. There I am here only right? DIR. You may able to see our deployment. That simply our file is deployment verbose to. See, it is giving little information, yes or no. See, check it, read it. Something
Yes, sir.
feature gets default state, maybe feature watch list client enabled false. Some information it will give. Whether it is useful or not, leave it. Good. Now, quickly we will go for next command. Quickly observe it. kubectl apply hyphen f deployed at yml dry run. Have you heard in dry run anywhere? Dry run.
No, sir.
No. This is very important question in your examination. First, maybe in your interview examination, in the sense my way. Now observe here. I am in here only. First observe kubectl delete all hyphen all. I am deleting everything. See, assume I'm the developer, I developed something, I tested something, I tested something. That is for my duty. If I test it more, test it means what shall I do? Quick response. Generally, I make you like this, right? See, if I press enter, then only resource will create, yes or no? Assume resource is created. How can I see? kubectl get pods, maybe assume. Am I able to see, right? Assume same thing I'm giving to tester. Assume that code is I'm giving to tester. Maybe once again what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete assumption I'm taking. See if tester what he will do. I'm giving this code to tester. Code this code to tester. Tester wants to check in our code something wrong things are there or right things are there. He is going to apply like this. What it is saying, ma? Deployment.apps, my app created, server driver. Now kubectl get parts. Now quick response. Can I able to see the parts?
No, sir.
No. What it is saying? It is running your code. Code is perfect, but it won't create anything. That is the meaning of driver. What it is saying? Apply driver to test without creating. To test without creating. Please remember the term. Dry run what it will do? To test without creating
Without
resource.
creating.
Your application is running properly or not. That is good idea, right?
Yes, sir.
You know how to prepare a food. That one book is there. Maybe those items are very costly. But I can read the procedure, I can understand the procedure, but I never prepare. Why? Why I never prepare? That is costly items. But I can understand. That is the procedure here. If it is very less cost, what I may do? I may prepare directly. Dry run, what it will tell? Test without creating. Please remember, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, again I will ask. See, kubectl get deployment. This is this command, right? To get your specific deployment. What is the deployment name? How can I see here? Quick response. First, I need to test apply, right? Yes. Hmm. Tell me what is my deployment name? kubectl, kubectl get deploy. What is my deployment name, ma'am? My
My
my app.
app.
My app. Till now, ready is how many see check it? Two only. After maybe now see 5 by 5. Because of which update? Recreate or rolling update? Because of rolling
Rolling update.
update. Good. Now see kubectl describe deployment, the deployment name. See in my case I took my app. Here extra thing what is there? My app deployment is there. Please remember, or else what I may do, control H, that is good for us. Wherever my, what is the word? App hyphen, what is the name? What was the name here? My app deployment. Deployment as there. There what I need to convert? My hyphen app.
Hyphen app.
App. Replace all. Control S. See, I did in my screen, not in your screen. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Try to remember that one. Close. I hope till now clear. I think up to this. Now see, get your services. QCL get SVC relevant to the deployment service. kubectl get SVC what they're expecting. See, if I give like this, I may see all the things. What they are telling. kubectl get. Where is the service ma? kubectl get your service. They are going to ask service name. If you know directly service name, you can apply that service name only. That service name only. What is the service name? There, my API. We will see like that. Good. My commands are very simple. Maybe maybe I may continue 10 more minutes. After that, whatever the command is there, your duty is what? You need to check each and every command. You may note it if not understanding. Again, we'll continue. These many commands are there. See here. You must remember each and every command. Remember in the sense, you need to apply, you need to understand. That is my intention. If you want to settle in, where? In k8s. In k8s. If you want to get more package, what you need to learn perfectly? I'm expecting your answer.
K8s.
K8s is mandate. Remaining, maybe Ansible is also mandate. Even Terraform is also mandate. Docker already you know. And finally, you may go for Jenkins. Remaining tools, whether you know it or know it, don't worry. Now see service you have seen ma. Now you want to see what does it mean? kubectl get pods. You know, you may see kubectl get pods. Could assume here 100 pods are running. I want to see some labels are there, right? We set at some labels. What is the
Yes, sir.
label name we given? Quick response. kubectl get pods -l. Then app is equal to right. What is that app
Yes,
we
sir.
given? App is equal to maybe shall we see or already you know? kubectl get pods -show -labels. See what is the label name we took there? You know it right? App is equal to my app.
My
See,
app.
pod template is equal to something. It is taking like that. Fire is equal to, you know, right? Fire we have seen, right? Front end. According to their wish, get pods -l. Label. What is the label name they are going to take? App is equal to
My app.
my app. My hyphen a. Such pods only I want. Is it clear for you that word meaning?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
kubectl scale. See, this is the imperative approach. I said right, imperative, declarative. Which is powerful? Imperative powerful, declarative powerful. Declarative only powerful. Declarative means .yml files. Declarative means manifest files. Imperative means single line commands. Again, I want to scale to three pods now. You know, now five are running, right? Five are running. Copy it
Yes, sir.
and going to paste it. See, in Docker Swarm, similar way you did. I hope you know. There we took
Yes, sir.
Docker Swarm. There we took scale. Docker service scale, but here kubectl scale. Deployment. The deployment object name hyphen replicas. I'm going to do. Now hereafter kubectl get pods. You are running quickly. My removing is very simple. Adding is little bit time taking. Yes or no? I said right. Maybe sometimes it
Yes,
may take 5 minutes also. See if you apply liveness probe, readiness probe, till now I think you know the words. Have you heard liveness probe, readiness probe? Quick response. Have you heard?
no, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, good. I'll explain ma. Because of industry people, without Linus Pro, without Readiness Pro, they never create a pod, they never create a deployment object. That is the industry standard. Why they will go for that? We'll discuss that also. First, we should know clearly which one? Deployment object. Scale back to original three replicas. We have seen, right? kubectl scale, deployment name, replicas 3. Is it okay for you? See, they're expecting. No. Their image version they want to change. This is the important thing. See, application is running good. See, you may know that what is the deployment object name? Quick response. My app. See, kubectl edit deployment. What is the deployment name? My app. Are you agree with
My
me?
iPhone.
Shall I press enter? Good. We are very happily. Somewhere see the image what you may able to see. Check it and tell me. Somewhere image is there. Yes, are you able to see image?
Yes, sir.
NGNX latest.
Latest.
Monica, I am asking to you. I want not latest, ma. I want one version. Then quickly Google it and tell me. NGNX one version number. See, you may type NGNX different versions. Ma. You may tell one version. Anyone. Others also do same activity and tell me.
1.13.
1 point.
13.
Good. Maybe I am giving that one. 1.13, right? You're
Yes, sir.
good. See, control yes. See, simply I'm closing. Maybe save already there, I think. Save all. Okay, remaining I don't want. Cancel. I don't want to save remaining things. Oh, so many things are there in my screen, I hope, right? Cancel. I want to close this. I want to save and close this one only. That is my intention. This is only our code, right? Yes or no? Simply closing. What happens? You may see. See, I may go for kubectl describe, 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 deploy. See, somewhere you may able to see image. See, check it.
Yes, sir.
Image got changed.
Yes, sir.
You may ask me what happens. It is maintaining second version, ma. But it is maintaining second version. You may ask me, how can I see those versions? How can I see those versions? See, you want to see the word history somewhere. One command is there. You may see somewhere history word view. Don't roll out. I want to see only history. Get kubectl rollout history deploy rollout history. Okay, good. I am giving this command. We'll see what happened. Or rollout status is good. Status is not necessary. I am going for history. History means how many versions it is maintaining. Copy it, paste it. What happened? Command is not properly copied. We paste it. See, are you able to see revision 1, revision 2? What is the default revision? First revision. First time I executed, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now quickly you may change one more number, ma. Quickly guide me. I want to change one more somewhere. Edit, right? Edit is the
Yes.
writer. Now I may edit like this. I don't want to go edit directly. I may apply like this. Now guide me what to do. Tell me a number. That's all I'm expecting. One more number.
1.12.
1.1. Copy. Copy. At least you may know this command also. 444. Something happened. Now the see kubectl set image deployment my app my hyphen app hyphen container. Please, before entering into this, you need to check your code. This is the container name, Monica. Very important. What is the name of this? Container name. In our code, see somewhere container name. Are you able to see container name? Container name. Observe and tell me what is the name of the container here. Maybe shall I place my cursor?
My iPhone app.
Yeah, but here according to our code, maybe in maybe in real time we may see little we may do little problems. What is the thing they given here? My app hyphen
My
content.
app.
Our feeling is what? Maybe right, but you understood, right? What was the problem here?
Yes.
Now up arrow, what I need to do? There I'm changing my app, and then there what is the thing? NJNX, NJNX, good. 1.12, right?
Want to. Yes.
1, 2. Good. Now again I may go for rollout history. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Others still no clear? No. Deployment. Suppose if I explain 3 4 days, you may get 100% basics. If I go for 1 or 2 days, maybe 70%. But if you try properly, major concept is deployment only. When in your interview, first they will start with what is deployment? Tell me. At that time, you may confuse. Oh, already you know the word deployment. What is deployment? Deployment is the recommended way to deploy your applications in our k8s cluster because of we can able to updates and we can able to do what we can able to do updates and rollbacks. See one more thing by using which resource we can able to maintain multiple revisions. Very clearly you're understanding, right? By using which resource, ma? By using deployment object.
Deployment.
See, I'm asking question. By using replica set, can I maintain multiple versions? Maybe right or wrong, I don't know. I'm asking. By using replica set, can I maintain multiple revisions? Yes, it might. I'm
No, sir.
giving priority to whom? Deployment or replica set?
Deployment.
Deployment. That means replica set, such facility may not be there, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Replica set, we can maintain how many revisions, ma? Only one revision. See, I can maintain 100 also, but I can able to see only 100th one. What about 1 to 99? Erase. We won't get. But in deployment, I can able to see first revision, second revision. See what is the specialty here? I can context switch from 3 to 2 or maybe 3 to 1. That is the facility here. Are understanding? In real
Yes, sir.
time, this is like a backup. Each image, this is NGNX. This is NGNX 1.13 according to you. This is 1.12. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I move from 3 to 1, what is the revision you may see? Check it and tell me. At least guess it. If I move from revision 3 to 1, what is the revision number you may get? Just to guess it, maybe right or wrong, leave it. Can I give the
Two,
clue?
sir.
Revision number always increments, ma. Whether you may go back, you may go forward, it won't feel. See, you are moving from 3 to 1. That feels one more revision. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means what is the value you may get? 4. 4. Because of either you may move 3 to 2, no problem. You may move 3 to 1 problem. Or you may take new one. We'll get the value is, what is the revision number? Next number. Plus 1. What is the plus 1 here? 3 plus 1?
Four.
4. This is the important thing. Because of some people may confuse. Don't confuse. Revision numbers always positive only. There is no negative numbers. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? Quick response. If it is clear for you, I may stop it. I may continue tomorrow evening. Now recording. But I provided commands for you. Please, everybody, if time permits, please go through each command. If any difficulty, try to ask. Even sometimes I am telling to you in front of you. Sometimes, some cases, at least unfortunately, I may not know one command. I won't feel shy, ma. I am very happy because of you're asking very new command. I may spend at least half an hour, 1 hour for that command. I may understand. I am very happy. Suppose Monica, I feel very happily means you may ask more questions. If you are not asking, maybe I may think you are the human. That's all. If you are asking more questions, I am very happy with Monica. Okay, thank you.